Hi everyone, welcome back to Share the Magic, and today I have a very cute video for you, so without further ado, let's see what I got. Recently I've posted a short about me going to MINISO and purchasing everything Cinnamoroll, and ta-da! I decided to do a whole video because I did get a lot of stuff. Cool. Let's see what it is. First thing we got is this cute little fan. This is so adorable, look at the packaging. I like it a lot. Hopefully it works, because this thing was the most expensive item I purchased. It was like $40 with the tax. So, yeah, pretty pricey, so hopefully it works fine. So here we have it out of the box. The little snowflakes has a little sticker on it, I guess, to protect it. Look at the cute Cinnamoroll on top. Why is he so cute? I like it. Very adorable. And the buttons are so pretty. Look at that. Oh, so cool. I'm happy I purchased it. Let's see how it works. So it comes with this USB cable. At the back we have a little slot where we put it in. And let's see. Whoop. Put this in here. And the moment of truth. It's working! Oh. I don't know what the star does. It kind of doesn't really have instructions, but I don't know. Ooh, you can make it stronger. Okay, so it has 3 levels. And this one is the strongest one. Not bad. Not bad. I mean, when it's hot, it's pretty nice to have it, right? But I kind of want to know what the star does. It looks super cute. So, I'm a little confused. Anyway, this is pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna put it on my desk. So, let's see what other things I got. Next thing I got is this little storage cabinet. Look, it has like 9 slots. The whole thing looks just adorable. And it comes with a sticker sheet on the button. Look at that, sticker sheets. Yay, so cute. I like it. So let's open it up. I opened it up and here we have pretty decent size shelves, but actually I like that you can take them out so you can kind of like see. And it's 9 of them, so you can store plenty of stuff inside. This is very useful actually. I like that. And I do like the design. Look, the top, the bottom, and I'm gonna put stickers on it. Let's see. Now it looks like this. I put stickers all over the place, and if you don't like the way they look, you can always, you know, take this out and put it in a different spot. This is pretty cool. And I left 2 little stickers for the missing part. So hopefully they'll just give it to me. I don't see why not, but we'll see. The next thing I got is pretty exciting because look at that. That's a bathroom mat, like floor mat. Look at that. It's so cute. Look at that. It's so adorable. Look, I love it. It's so nice. It's also soft and pretty decently sized. Like you can see how big it is. I like the design. I like that at the bottom they put Cinnamoroll. I like that he has a honey pot in his hands. It's so cute. I like it. It was really adorable. This is the back if anyone wants to see. I honestly don't know if I want to put it in the bathroom because it's just so cute and I feel bad stepping on it. But at the end of the day, it's a pretty useful item, so I'm kind of torn. I don't know what to do. What do you think? Should I display it or should I put it on the floor? Let me know in the comments. Okay, I still have more stuff, and one of them is this storage box, which is full of other items I got, and it was pretty comfortable to put everything inside and just transfer it back home. So yes, look at that. It's a pretty cute storage basket. Look at that. Not even basket, like storage box. How do you call it? But I like the design of it. You have a bunch of cinnamon rolls all over the place and a big one on top. Super cute and super adorable. Love it. It's actually a pretty nice size. Like, you can see I have like at least 2 decently sized items inside. Yeah, so that was a really nice purchase. Another cool item I got, which I'm really excited about, is... Oh, okay. Ta-da! This is a little mini trash can with cinnamon roll. You can open this on top, look inside, kind of looks like a tin box. Boom! Super cute. And has cinnamon roll over here and a bunch of cinnamon rolls all over the place, and same at the back. So pretty cute. And it was $7.99, which is pretty nice, I guess. A little pricey, maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it too pricey? Did I just spend money on something I really don't need? But it's so cute. I like it. It's really, really adorable. I also forgot about this cute little thing I got. Anyway, I want to open it and see what it looks like because it's so big and so cute. And yeah, let's open it. Here on top. Oh, okay. Didn't work the way I wanted it, but anyway, let's just open it like savages. Oh, I see the hat. Ah, it's so big and cute. Look how big it is. Wait, what is this? What is this? Is it a mini fan? It has like a thing at the back. Oh, is it? Yo. Oh, this is so cool, and it wasn't even that expensive. I'm so surprised. Wait, what is this? Is it a mini fan? Wait, which one did I get? I don't even know. Oh, I got this one. Like, if you can see right here. Oh, I kind of wanted the strawberry one, or the one with the bread over here. He has a bread on his head. Now I want to get the whole collection. Why am I doing it to myself? Anyway, let's try and see if it's actually work. Okay, so this is the charger. And oh my god, I can't. It's so freaking cute. Look at that. Look at the tail. You tap on it. It's a freaking fan. Oh my god. I mean, it's not that strong, but damn, I appreciate the effort. This is so cool. Okay, okay. Like, it's kind of weak. Like, it doesn't really, I don't know. I guess it's just like the slot is so small. It doesn't really come through the air, but damn, this is so nice. I like that. Oh, this is so cool. I kind of want to get more. Oh, I hate myself. And last but not least, I got this beautiful little notebook with a cinnamon roll on top of it, and it's so cute. It's very summery, and I just love the design. I don't think they had any other cinnamon rolls notebooks, and so this one was the only one, so I kind of didn't really have a chance to pick anything I want. Like, look at it. It's so pretty. Here we have the first page with a little cinnamon roll. Oh, he's holding a cherry. It's so cute. And we have a bunch of other pages, which is super cute. I kind of like that. Oh, it's nice. Like, you have so many different pages. Really nice. And here's the back. I kind of like it. I'm glad I picked it up. Well, what do you guys think? Would you get this? Let me know in the comments. That was it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely did. I love cinnamon roll, and I love unboxing stuff with it. And I definitely love buying them. Hope you liked it too. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like if you like this video, because it does help the channel a lot, and obviously subscribe because we appreciate all of your support and it means a lot to us. And as always, don't forget to share the magic. Bye!